Maggie. I'm a 5th grader in Miss Wrightson's class. Today, we're going to make Christmas cards, Santa. So, you're going to need your supplies. You're going to need some markers, pencils, glue stick, scissors, and most importantly, cotton balls. So first, draw and trace your hand. Boom. There's your hand. Make sure to draw it upside down, so the fingers will be the beard. So now you'll get your marker, skin-colored marker, and only draw this part of the head. Only this part, okay? As you draw it, I want you to think about what you're going to do this Christmas. Okay, once that's done, you're going to add all the cotton balls. Okay, 3, 2, 1. There are your cotton balls. See? Make sure to add the cotton balls in the top too for the hat. Next, you will draw your hat like this in a certain shape. Like this, okay? And then we will color. 3, 2, 1. So this is what it looks like. Has the red hat. You can use whatever materials you have for the red hat. And now what you will add is one more cotton ball at the tip of the hat. Okay? Next, you will draw the eyes and nose. 3, 2, 1. Now, this is what it looks like with the eyes, the hat, the beard, and the face. Very nice. Now on the inside of the card, you're going to write a very lovely note. You can write it to your family members or your parents. Make sure to say it's from you. Okay? All right. Those of you who celebrate Hanukkah, you can draw menorahs on your card. These are the finished results. Make sure to draw a T and 9 little boxes. To connect them, draw an inverted rainbow. Don't forget to light your candles to finish your menorah. Thank you all for watching my how-to video. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Stay safe. Bye.